Hi, welcome back to the short tutorial. In this video, I will show you how you can fix if Snapchat wallpaper option is not available. So how you can do it, watch this video till the end, and if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So let's start the video. So this is the new feature. Now you can change the wallpaper of your chat on the Snapchat. If it's not showing on your Snapchat chat, simply you have to open your Play Store and right here you have to search for the Snapchat. Once you will do it, simply you have to update your Snapchat mobile application from here. Once you will do it, simply go back, tap a while on the Snapchat, go to the info, and after that you have to click on the storage and the cache. Clear your cache from here, and once you will do it, you will easily find this option in the friend chat. So let's suppose I open the profile of this friend, and here you can see wallpaper option. To use this you must have Snapchat Premium Plus. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question or any confusion, just drop a comment. I will try to help you. Thank you.